Welcome back to another episode of All Things Weather. The big story we've been following is how warm it has been in the mornings. Normal so far in November is 44 degrees for our morning low temperatures. We've been 20 degrees above that so far. But there's going to be a bit of a change tomorrow morning. What we're going to see in the morning is temperatures in the upper 50s and lower 60s. Coffeyville 55, Pontotoc 57. There's a front that's going to be passing in, and these are very cold based on the standards we have set over the last couple of weeks. In the afternoon, multiple rounds of sunshine. The sun is going to be on full blast with temperatures in the mid-70s in Starkville, 75 Tupelo, Starkville, and further to the south may get to the 80 degrees with more peaks of sunshine. Temperatures will be nice tomorrow, seasonably nice. Now, I mentioned those low temperatures. Now, what have the high temperatures been like so far? Normal high is 69. We've been more like the upper 70s because those clouds, it's been so overwhelming. It's been overcast, gloomy, but again, that will change tomorrow. And that's because, well, yeah, this evening there's going to be some scattered storms peeking in, so be aware of that. But radar is going to be fresh and clear by tomorrow morning, and full-on sunshine for your Tuesday. As a cold front passes in, we'll get some nice drier air. Feel nice, comfortable, and humid for studying outside or playing ball, playing catch in the afternoon. Now, rain will return to the forecast on Wednesday. Notice how brief that will be. A front will be racing into the area. Yes, on Wednesday we could see some showers, not too overly confident that's going to be a wide-scale event. Then high pressure, even bigger source of some dry weather will be working in for the weekend. So far, as we're recording this, the main rainfall has been further to the north of us. Notice towards Starkville, Louisville, only about 0.2 of an inch rain widespread. Amory, about 0.2 of an inch. Eupora, 0.2 of an inch. Macon, 0.2 of an inch. But we will get more rainfall as we head into the next couple of days, really Wednesday, and then we clear out. Latest model projections are showing 1.5 inches and upwards of 2 inches of rain, so that's going to help us. So for today, continue to be gloomy. We're watching storm chances early on Monday that will clear up perfectly in time for your Veterans Day. Thank you for your service, all veterans. And then we'll finally get some cooler weather finally as we head towards Wednesday, Thursday, and your next weekend.
Well, as we go into the month of November and December, we start to get into our fall secondary severe weather season here in the state of Mississippi. We're no stranger to severe weather here in the fall months, but taking a look at tornado count by the month, the entire year. Now again, this data is from 1800s to now here in 2024. Of course, you see the uptick in the spring months. That's normal and typical. A lull in the summertime, but as we go into the fall months, we start to get an uptick in tornado count for each month. 359 tornadoes that have been recorded in November, 244 in December. On average, we see about 3 to 5 tornadoes each month for the state of Mississippi in November and December. Taking a look at ways you can receive alerts. One is media outlets. You have WCBI and WTVA, the Maroon Alert System for here on campus. Make sure your number is plugged into that so you're getting alerts if warnings are issued, things like that. NOAA Weather Radio. Those are still old-fashioned, but they still go off and still a good tool to have in your toolbox. WE alerts on your phone, wireless emergency alert system. Make sure your phone is not on silent and is in the WE alerts is in the on mode. Another one is a weather app. WTVA has a weather app, or the AccuWeather, the Weather Channel, things like that. And then your last resort is an outdoor siren. Now, where to seek shelter? If you're on campus, in a dorm, lowest floor in the hallway, your residence hall staff will usher you there, so you want to make sure you're listening to them. An apartment, the lowest floor, and all the way inside a bathroom or a closet. And then if you have time to drive there, on Lynn Lane, there's a FEMA certified shelter that will be open in the event of severe weather. Taking a look at a house, we have a basement is always a good option. But if you don't have a basement, that's okay. You want to put as many walls between you and the outside as possible, bathroom or a closet. And again, bathroom, closet, or the basement is always a good option for houses. Now, and one last thing, if your county is listed on this map, we cover you, and we will go on for a tornado warning if one is issued for one of these counties. Now, we do kind of pay close attention, more hyper-local for Clay, Lowndes, and Oktibbeha counties. But again, regardless, if a tornado warning is issued for any of these counties, we will go on and we will cover that tornado warning for you to make sure you're staying safe. So as we go through the fall severe weather season, make sure you have multiple ways to receive alerts and start to stay tuned to the forecast. We're getting more storms, more fronts, and we could easily have a severe weather threat on the horizon very soon rather than later.